How does the lockup mechanism work? So you can lock up your Pi coins for a time like 3 years, 2 weeks. I personally lock up for 2 weeks, and I've shown you that. Let me just take you back again so that you can understand that. Let me take you back again. Just give me a second. So this is the Pi app. Let me take you back to the lockup. Come here. Let's go back here. Mine Pi. And we come here. You come here at the boosters, and then you increase. You increase your lockup. You configure your lockup. So you can lock it up for 2 weeks, for 6 months, 1 year, or 3 years. You can lock it up 25%, 50%, 90%, 100%, 200%, but you must lock it up. It must be locked. You can't just mine Pi and immediately withdraw. Doesn't work like that. So for some, for us guys who have a lot of referrals and we're making some more than a Pi an hour, you can easily just put 2 weeks and just get your Pi. But if you really want to rake up and stack up, you can lock it up for 6 months. It increases, because you see, if I increase the lockup period, you see down here, it increases my mining power. If I increase it again, increases the mining power, increases exponentially my mining power. But yo, I have already locked up my current 610 Pi. I don't know for how long, I'm not sure, in the wallet. I need my quick Pi right here, right now. So that's how basically lockup works.